esempio l'ho provata e ho avuto risultati soltanto sulle onde medie, su quelle commerciali. Quindi se volete andare ad esplorare le onde lunghe e le onde corte, dovete per forza collegare un'antenna long wire o una loop magnetica.
You have or don't have, please record yourself. Just take your phone out, and you should have a function like recorder or voice memo. Record your thoughts on what can you not do, what kind of things have your plans to do that you couldn't do, or what you agree or disagree with what we've said. Then email us at welovethebridge@gmail.com, and we will play your response on the air. Thank you so much for your time, listeners. Thank you so much for your time, Alex. Thank you, Jason. Thank you, Ed.
Investigation into the incident is underway. The ministry added local sources said that the drone went down on Wednesday.
With the flight from power of Nicolae and Elena Ceausescu. 3 days later, the two were executed following a summary trial by a military court. In total, over 1,000 people died and about 3,000 were wounded in the clashes that took place in the only country in Eastern Europe where the regime change was violent. Thursday was the first discussion on the topic, and the You are listening to Radio Romania International. Welcome to World of Culture. I'm Elena Ainake. Hut Collective premiered the show Theatre of the Future in December. It is part of a theatre research project that explores new forms of interdisciplinary and collaborative creation in contemporary theatre. The project was intended as an artistic laboratory dedicated to emerging artists. The project aims to answer the question, what will the theatre of the future des consommateurs font l'écho aux observations des lits coucheuses. Ce qui m'attire le plus, c'est toujours le design, c'est-à-dire quelque chose de spécial et de créatif. J'aime les créations culturelles avec des caractéristiques particulières et un fort sens du design. Une valeur culturelle et la fabrication est. Nous pouvons le rapporter à la maison et raconter à l'enfant le petit message.
C'est très joli. J'aime particulièrement ça. Le retour de travail est très
Music, the lighting, the energy.
And secondly, the vibe classic. Not because they're late, but because they're rude, in your opinion. It's because they are dressed completely different than ours. That's the mismatch. The viral term for a relationship inbound. Hoodie and
frequency. We can also be heard on the internet at RI.Ro Channel 1. If you have comments or suggestions, please write an email at engl@ri.ro. Goodbye.
Türkiye'nin Sesi Radyosu halaya durmak. Hep bir ağızdan sesi söylenir. Martılara atılan şiir, komşuya verilen selam, ana kucağı, baba ocağı.